Hello everyone, this is Livy. Today I will introduce our popular GC75 model. It has a related load of 1050 kg, 0.5 cubic meter bucket capacity. It comes standard with a 55 kW Shinsha engine. We also have 61.3 kW Yanmar engine for option. The GC75 features PWG pump from Italy and self-Danfoss motor, ensuring reliable performance. Its quick change system lets you switch attachments in 30 seconds. We have over 100 attachments available. Let's look at the cabin. This cabin is equipped with hydraulic pedal control. The luxurious cabin is equipped with air conditioning, comfortable seats, and backup camera for enhanced safety. The instrument panel above displays working hours, engine water temperature, and fuel level. On the right side, there are multiple function buttons. The left joystick controls machine movement, while the right joystick controls the working functions. Feel free to reach out.